Are you good at drawing? Are you always noticing logos on different companies or certain posters and thinking like, wow, it's really good? Or maybe you would like to draw them better? If both answers are yes, then you have found your dream job. Watch this video to the very end to become a great graphic designer as a beginner. A graphic designer's job is to take ideas and turn them into visual masterpieces. They are like the wizard of design world. So you can become a graphic designer by using a magic wands like the Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator to create a stunning graphics and logos and artworks. Being a graphic designer requires a lot of skills and creativity. So to become a graphic designer, you must have the skills and creativity. Without these things, you can't become a graphic designer. Yes, without these things, you can't become a graphic designer. So if you're a beginner or you have never tried graphic designing before, then I am introducing you to this website where you can start to become a new graphic designer or beginner. The first website I will introduce to you is called the 99 Designs. 99 Designs. The second website is Design Hell, and the third website is called Design Bro. Design Bro. Before you can create or before you can become a graphic designer on this website I have just mentioned to you, you have to create an account. Before you can create an account, you must use your Gmail account or the email account or the Google account to create an account and start a graphic designer as a new beginner. Yes, you can make ideas on projects to attempt to win a company's project. For example, you can consult a certain companies to work or do attachments as a beginner. Yes, so that gradually you become perfect as time goes on. Yes, so these are the websites I will be giving to you. Some of the websites or the platforms I just mentioned to you uses premium templates. For example, maybe they'll ask you to insert your bank account or bank card so that you can get access to their premium templates before you can use their template. So immediately you register or sign up on this website, all you can do is add your bank account to wherever they ask you to add your payment details so that you can subscribe to some of their templates in order to use their proper template to become the best out of the best. Thank you. So if you find this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe to this channel and press on the notification bell for updates when a video is being posted on this channel. Thank you. The name here is John Williams.